Which portable car vacuum cleaner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Reveal. Let's kick things off with the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Reveal. Priced at $59.99, this cordless handheld vacuum caught my attention with its sleek design and LED light feature. If you want a reliable vacuum that shines a light on those hard-to-see crumbs, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum has a battery life of 16 minutes, which is decent for quick cleanups. The onboard LED light helps illuminate the areas you're cleaning, making it easier to spot dirt and debris. With a capacity of 605 ml, it can hold quite a bit of dust before you need to empty it, and the washable dust bowl makes maintenance simple. Plus, the flip-up brush is perfect for upholstery and other surfaces. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever struggled to see under your seats or in tight spots, that LED light is a game changer. Now, some people complained about the relatively short battery life. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing quick cleanups or spot cleaning, it's usually more than enough time. But if you're looking to vacuum your entire car in one go, you might feel a little rushed. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum for regular touch-ups in your car. Skip this one if you have a larger vehicle or lots of cleaning to do at once. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if that battery life worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. Next up is the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. At just $22.44, it's budget-friendly and packed with features. If you're looking for a powerful option without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. With a suction power of 9,000 PA and a 120W motor, this vacuum can tackle dirt and debris effectively. It has a battery life of 30 minutes, which is impressive for this price range, and recharges fully in just 2.5 hours. The dual functionality as both a vacuum and an air duster allows you to tackle everything from crumbs to dust in hard-to-reach areas. This versatility makes it perfect for cleaning not just your car but your home office too. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That powerful air duster feature means you can clean your keyboard and other electronics without buying extra tools. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy, but let's be real, most handheld vacuums aren't exactly quiet. If noise is a major concern for you, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, multi-use vacuum that can handle various jobs. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter cleaning experience. For under $25, you're getting great value here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavy-duty cleaning. Product number 3, MONOZEL Car Vacuum. The third product is the MONOZEL Car Vacuum. Priced at $36.98, it offers a lot of power and versatility. If you're serious about keeping your car spotless, this one deserves your attention. With a suction power of 18,000 PA and a brushless motor, this vacuum is designed for efficiency. It also has a battery life of 28 minutes. The vacuum doubles as an air duster, making it suitable for cleaning tricky spots in your car and around your home. It's equipped with multiple nozzles for different cleaning scenarios, whether you're tackling pet hair or inflating items like pool toys. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That high power means it can handle the messes that cheaper models might struggle with. Now, some users found the vacuum a bit bulky compared to others. Here's the thing though, the power and performance more than make up for the size. If you have a smaller car, it may feel a bit cumbersome, but the results speak for themselves. This is perfect for you if you want a vacuum that can handle both your car and your home. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact. Given its performance, it's a great investment. Now, if that bulkiness isn't your thing, the next product might catch your eye with its portability. Product number 4, SC StarTex Portable Car Vacuum. Fourth on our list is the SC StarTex Portable Car Vacuum. At just $15.96, this is one of the most affordable options here. If you're on a tight budget but still want decent performance, this might be your go-to. This vacuum offers a suction of 17,000 Pa, which is impressive for its size. With multiple nozzles included, you can clean everything from your car to your home and even your electronics. It has a battery life of 15 minutes, which is fine for small, quick jobs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That lightweight design is perfect if you're constantly on the move and need something that won't weigh you down. Now, some users mention that the battery life can feel short, especially for larger messes. But honestly, it's a quick grab-and-go vacuum, so if you just need something for minor cleanups, it gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you need an ultra-portable vacuum for quick cleanups. Skip this one if you have larger jobs or need longer battery life. For the price, it's hard to beat. Finally, if you want something more powerful with longer battery life, check out our last product. Product number 5, ONAVOT Car Vacuum. Last but not least, we have the ONAVOT Car Vacuum, priced at $37.96. This vacuum stands out with its impressive features. If you want a high-performance cleaner that won't let you down, this one is a strong contender. This vacuum boasts a powerful suction of 35,000 Pa and comes with 2 detachable batteries providing up to 60 minutes of runtime. It also has a 350 ml dust cup, which means you won't be emptying it every few minutes. The specialized attachments make it easy to clean different surfaces, from pet hair to tight crevices. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With that suction power, it can handle the toughest messes, making it a reliable choice for deep cleaning. Now, some reviewers pointed out that it's slightly heavier than others. But let's be real, with that much power, a little extra weight is a fair trade-off. If you're looking for something lightweight, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful vacuum for deep cleaning tasks. Skip this if you prefer a lighter option. Given its capabilities, it's definitely worth the investment. So there you have it. We've covered the Black Plus DECKER Dustbuster Reveal, the KMM Handheld, MONOZEL Car Vacuum, SC Startex Portable, and the ONAVOT Car Vacuum. Each one has its pros and cons, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you want something lightweight and affordable or powerful for deep cleaning, there's an option for you here.